Hi guys, welcome back to our new video. In this video, we're gonna show you our DIY projects we are done so far. These are our DIY projects. 80% of DIY projects we are done so far. Some are destroyed, some got damaged. These are our small DIY projects. And these projects are our interesting DIY projects made most by cardboard and spend more time for making these kind of projects. And these were some of our projects got damaged, and there are some more got destroyed. At first we have our DIY Phuket game, which is very interesting game. Just shoot the cardboard coins to opposite side, which is very good game for spending time, and which is a multiplayer game. And this also a multiplayer game, very interesting game, DIY table tennis with ping pong ball, which is very interesting to play and spend more time with friends. And this is DIY basketball, dual basketball player game, which we can shoot ball into that basket, and which is also pretty good game for spending time. And this is marshmallow helmet with cardboard hole made by cardboard and chart paper, which is pretty good. And this is one of the most time consuming project, which took almost 7-8 days to complete, which is 3D version of Ludo, very interesting. And this is simple game, marble catching, simple game, pretty easy to play. Just catch the marbles from upside, very easy. And the next one is DIY dominoes, hole made by cardboard. You can see it's so easy to make and good to play. And next we have our wire booze game, which we all know that we seen by Mr. Bean's show, which is funny to play and also very interesting. Next we have our apple pop game, which is pretty easy and which is mainly for kids. Kids can play with these, just hitting the balls from upside tree and catching in basket. This is our little Game Boy model T-Rex running game, which is not working properly now, which is pretty good, interesting one. Next in our list is 3D Snake and Ladder, which is pretty awesome to play and very interesting. This is just a dummy of camera, DSLR camera, that's it, a dummy camera. Next we have a puzzle game with marble, maze marble game, and this is marble throwing game, which is pretty easy and interesting. This is our lock, safe lock, home safe lock, which is very interesting. We can lock our safe by window rotating the window, and we can open at one point, and we can store our things and lock back, which is pretty interesting. And this also one of the main project taken 10 days to complete, which is 8-ball pool, mini 8-ball pool. And this is dice machine, and which is got damaged now, not working properly. Here we have our wheel calendar, just made for fun. And here we have our interesting game called Plingo with coins. You can make money with this game. You can earn money with this game. Yeah, and it's broken now. And here we have our main water dispenser. I got many views from this water dispenser. It's amazing, guys. Here we have our simple gift box, exposing gift box. And here we have a random bike, and this is interesting one. We can shoot ping pong ball. We can store 3 ping pong ball and shoot them with the rubber band, and which is pretty good. And this also pretty interesting, Captain America shield thrower, which is also pretty good. These are the shields of the shooter. And here we have our gumball dispenser, mini gumball dispenser. We can store 10 gumballs and we can dispense, which is also pretty good. This is our DIY watch, mini watch. This is some sort of shooter. This is waste bin, use me, and this type of coffin, magic coffin, and this sort of spinner, DIY fidget spinner made by cardboard, not working properly now. And this is our coin safe box, which is pretty good, designed in a pyramid model. And here we have some mini jumping toys, dispenser, old candy dispenser, tab dispenser, tab cutter, and a type of coin shooter. And this is our very first candy coin dispenser. Just put the coin right here and use ATM card to pull the coins and dispense. And these are our 80% of our DIY projects. Some are got damaged and destroyed. You can check my channel for each and every project's full video tutorial, so you can learn from that tutorial. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel Creator Guy. And stay tuned, more interesting videos are coming. Our channel is getting updated. So bye, thank you.